beautiful babes, and welcome into Sugar Fingers. Y'all, look what I have here. This is 3 sets of Impress nails. These are made by Kiss, and they are going to be part of a giveaway coming up real soon. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel so you can be in that number. Upcoming details are coming for sure. Also, I'll be giving away these 5 nail polishes. These are regular nail polishes, so stay tuned for the details on those as well. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and get ready to be a winner. I am so excited that y'all are hanging out here with me on Sugar Fingers. And now y'all, on to today's vlog. What's up, y'all? Your girl Sweet Angel. Welcome to my happy place over here on Sugar Fingers. Y'all, I'm getting ready to go in Dollar General to see if I can find any great nail products there. So or in here rather, because I am already in front of the building. So let's see what we can find, and then we're gonna head to Dollar Tree and see what we can pick up. We're gonna be doing some fun nail tutorials and looks and things over here on Sugar Fingers, so make sure you subscribe and get in the know each and every time we do that. Let's get in here.
Why don't you hold my hand? Why don't you hold my hand, baby? Why don't you hold my hand? Why don't you hold my hand? Why don't you hold my? Why don't you hold my? Why don't you hold my? Why don't you hold my hand? Why don't you hold my hand?
Okay, beautiful babes, I know y'all pretty much saw what I got at the store, but let's just go through it. Y'all, I got these cute eyelashes. Oh yeah, these are so cute. They're supposed to be 100% human hair, lightweight, and of course reusable. These are by Kiss. Y'all know I am a Kiss affiliate, so hey, I'm gonna check these out and see if they actually have them on the website. If not, I picked them up at Dollar General. I was gonna go in Dollar Tree, but I don't think I am at this moment because I don't want to. But these are so cute. And then I got these Mink Effect eyelashes from Kiss 3D is what they are. And they are so nice. These are pretty fancy. So we'll see what they look like when I wear them. Oh yeah, I got 2 pairs of the other ones. I got 2 pair of this 100% human hair one. And then for the nails, let me show you. This is a brand that I have not seen ever before. It is Pretty Woman Faux Nails. You get 24 in the pack. And I thought this would be a cute holiday nail. What you think? Comes with the glue. I don't know what else is in here. I think that's it. Again, the 24 nails, the glue. But those are kind of like a stiletto type style. So we'll see what they working with when I try to apply them to see if they have a good fit to them. And these were like, I want to say $5 or $6. So that's a good price for them, but just to see exactly what they're working with, I don't know. This was the first pair of Kiss nails that I picked up. These are the long length, and they're the Fantasy Collection, ready to wear. Amazing gel look, it says. It looks like it has a matte finish and a nice little design on it, kind of a Aztec kind of look, I guess. It's 24 nails in the pack. Yeah. Of course, instructions are on the back. And then I got another Kiss nail pack here, long length. This is the jewel style. 24 in the pack, ultra smooth finish. And these are very dainty. Love the color as well. And I look forward to wearing these. Just ran in there for a second and I am finito. I guess I'm going to get ready to head on to the house. And I want to thank you all for hanging out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. I hope you have been enjoying the content. I've really been trying. The last nail set I put on, I still have them on. As you can see, they are holding up well. And I did go ahead, again, I use the base coat under here, and that may be the reason why they're holding good, because that helps to keep down the oils in your natural nail, I guess. So they are so pretty.